We're going to start off with our left foot. Okay, and we're going to step forward on the left foot. So forward, do a half turn left, back onto the right foot, half, and then we're going to do a coaster cross. So we're going to go back, back, cross. Okay, so let's try that. Starting off with our left foot, stepping forward, half turn, back and cross. Our rhythm there is 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll do the next little bit. We're going to do a side rock onto the right, recover quarter onto the left, and then we're going to do a lock shuffle forward with the right foot. Step, lock, step. Okay, so from the start, stepping forward on our left foot. So we're going forward, half turn, coaster, cross, side, rock, replace, quarter, and a lock, shuffle forward. Step, lock, step. Let's count that, and then I'll check that you're all there. Left foot, lead, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. So left foot lead, we're going forward, half turn, coaster, cross, side, rock, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle, forward. Okay, so that's where we're up to. We're going to do 2 what I've called boogie shuffles forward. They're just little tiny shuffles so your feet don't move too much. First one's diagonally left and the second one is diagonally right. So we're going to just shuffle an eighth and then shuffle to the other diagonal, a quarter on from that. So we've just done a lock shuffle forward with the right, step, lock, step. We do a little boogie shuffle left diagonal, cha, cha, cha. Little boogie shuffle right diagonal, cha, cha, cha. So we're just kind of angling on those little shuffles. Okay, we'll go from the start to there. So forward on the left foot, ready, go. 1, 2, coast across 3 and 4, side, rock, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle. 2 little boogie shuffles, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6, ready, go. Forward, half turn, coaster, cross, side, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle. 2 little shuffles, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now from here, we're going to turn an eighth of a turn right. That's going to be to the back wall. That's a very small turn to the back wall. We're going to hold and we're going to go ball, cross, side. I'll show you that to the front. We're stepping side, hold and cross, side. The rhythm of that is 1, hold, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so that's after your little boogie shuffles. You're going to turn to the back to do that. I'll show you that. So little boogie shuffles, left, right, right to the back, hold, ball, cross, side. Okay, if I counted that from the boogie shuffles, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So your left foot's free and you're facing the back. Let's go from the top. Left foot lead, ready, go. Forward, half turn, back and cross, side, rock, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle. Shuffle left, shuffle right, eighth, hold, ball, cross, side. From here, we're going to do a step behind, a step to the side, and a cross shuffle. Cha, 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 left over right. Okay, so we'll just add that a little bit on. From the side, hold, ball, cross, side, behind, side, shuffle, low, cross. So we're adding behind, side, cross, shuffle. Okay, let's take that from the top. Left foot lead. Ready, go. Forward, half turn, back and cross, side, rock, replace, quarter, step, lock, step. Shuffle left, little shuffle right, side, hold, ball, cross, side. Now behind, side, cross, shuffle after that. And again. 5, 6, ready, go. forward, half turn, back and cross side, rock, replace quarter, lock, shuffle forward. 2 boogie shuffles, 8th hold, ball cross side, behind side cross shuffle. So we're facing the back, weights on the left foot. We're going to rock out to the side on the right now, replace quarter onto the left. Now this section is a spin, so for the more advanced dancers, and if you can spin easily, we're going to step forward on the right and spin a full turn left. Spin, step on the left. Now if you don't want to do that spin, or if you're dancing on some kind of sticky surface, or God forbid carpet or something like that, you can just walk that bit. So side rock, replace quarter, walk, walk. Walking right, left will do just nicely. Alright, but it's a spin. It's side rock, replace quarter. We're going to step forward on the right and spin a full turn left on that right foot, and then we're going to step down on the left. And we're facing 3 o'clock. Okay, so we'll take it nice and slowly from the start, and then I'll check in with you. Starting with the left foot, ready, go. Forward, half turn, back and cross side, rock, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle. 2 boogie shuffles, to the left, to the right, turn to the back, side, hold, ball, cross, side. Behind side cross shuffle, rock, quarter turn, and then spin and step. Spin, step, or walk, walk. We'll take it from the top with a count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, turn 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weights on the left foot. Next bit is a piece of cake. We're going to do a shuffle and a pivot turn, a shuffle and a paddle turn. Okay, so right foot's free, we're going to shuffle forward, just normal shuffle forward, step, pivot, half, and then a shuffle forward on the left, and a paddle turn to the back, step, pivot, quarter onto the left foot. Nice and easy, that's just shuffle forward, half, pivot turn, shuffle forward, paddle turn, quarter left. Okay, so your right foot's free. Take it up to there from the start. It's only a 2-wall dance, so 2 directions. From the start, ready, go. Forward, half turn, coaster, cross side, rock, replace quarter, step, lock, step, shuffle left, shuffle right, left, right. 8th, hold, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, rock, quarter, spin, step, shuffle right, pivot half, shuffle left, pivot, quarter, or paddle turn. Okay, the right foot's free, we're facing the back. I'm going to show you the next bit to the front. Okay, it's kind of like cruising, so we're going to end up facing the same direction as we started. Starts with a weave, so just face the front and I'll show you it this way first. So we're going to cross the right foot over the left. It looks like this. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, pivot, half, quarter, shuffle to the side. Okay, so we've got a full turn all together in that first half of it. So crossing over, cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter, side, close, side. Let's count that. Right over left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, of course we're going to be doing this to the back. We're just doing it to the front first. Now we've got the right side. We're going to cross the left behind, turn quarter, and half pivot turn, step, turn half, quarter turn to the front, quarter, step together with the right foot, and a kick ball change or kick ball step to finish the dance. Alright, so that last bit, all of it right over left first. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, turn, quarter, step together, and a kick ball change or kick ball step. Let's just count that last bit, then I'll turn you around to the back. ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because the music's slow, it's a nice cruisy track. You've got plenty of time to put a bit of a dip into the cross steps there, as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter together and a kick, ball, change. Let's try that facing the back, because the first wall we do it to the back. So facing the back, right over left, weaving to the left, ready, go. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter together and a kick, ball, change. Okay, so it's always coming back to that wall that you started that on. That's the end of the dance. Left foot's free, okay, to start again. Okay, so we'll do the entire first wall, then I'll check in with you. Ready, go. Forward half, coast across, side rock, quarter, lock, shuffle forward. 2 boogie shuffles, little diagonal ones. Turn to the back, hold. Ball cross, side, behind side cross shuffle. Rock, quarter and spin or walk. Shuffle forward and pivot, up pivot, shuffle forward and a paddle turn. Now the weave. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter together and a kick, ball, change. One more time, first wall, ready, go. Forward, half turn, coaster, cross, side, rock, replace, lock, shuffle, 2 little shuffles. 8th hold, 8th hold, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, rock, quarter and spin, shuffle and pivot, shuffle and paddle. Now the cruising bit. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter turn, step, turn, half, quarter together, left, kick, ball, change. Remember the tag, step, pivot, pivot. Let's try the second wall. Okay, left foot lead, so we step forward on the left. 1. Turn half, left, back onto the right foot, and a coast across, back and cross. Side rock right, replace quarter turn left, and shuffle forward with a lock shuffle with step, lock, step. Okay, so from the start, second wall, so forward on the left, forward, half turn, back and cross, side rock, replace quarter, lock, shuffle, right, left, right. 2 boogie shuffles, little shuffles, left, right, left, right, left, right. 1/8 of a turn to the front and hold, step, hold, ball, cross, side. Let's take that all from the start of the second wall. Remember, we've done that tag. Ready, go. Forward, half turn, coaster, cross, side, rock, replace, quarter, lock, shuffle. Little boogie shuffles to the left, to the right, small turn, hold, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, rock, quarter, spin, step. Okay, shuffle and pivot, shuffle and paddle. Shuffle forward, step, turn, half, shuffle forward, step, turn, quarter. Now we have the weave bit, which we've already done to the front. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, together, and a kick, ball, step, or kick, ball, change. Let's do our entire back wall, then we'll put it together. 5, 6, ready, go. Forward, half, coaster, cross, side, rock, replace, lock, shuffle. Boogie shuffle to the left, to the right. 8, hold, ball, cross, side, behind, side, shuffle and cross, rock, quarter, spin, step, shuffle forward, step, turn, half, shuffle forward, step, turn, quarter, weave front, side, behind, quarter, turn, step, turn, half, quarter, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter, turn, step, turn, half, quarter together and a kick, ball, change. forgot the